Hello everyone, I just wanted to show you, I know I showed you guys those the other day, but I made some more. So I decided to incorporate some little cardinals, and I use a lot of different colored fine grain or fine, I don't know what you call it. I used fine grade glitter for these, but I think the other ones are a little bit bigger, and I put some angels. So here's this one, and I did, excuse my thumb, I cut it tonight when I was cutting up a tomato to make baked ziti. So here's this one. I love this one. It almost looks like this cardinal's in a tree. And then I made this one. Oops. It just doesn't do it justice. These are so glittery. And all the diamond dust that I use, which is really shard glass, makes it so, not heavy, but heavy and substantial, because it then all comes together as one big piece of glass. So, and then I made this one. This one reminds me of a cardinal on like lilies, and that's like the sky background. I ordered some charms that say a piece of my heart is in heaven, so I'm going to put them too with these, because the cardinal to me represents a loved one, a visit. I think I read that somewhere. But, and then of course I have these. So these are my newest little ornaments, and they're very glittery. And that's all I got, guys. Have a great evening. Bye.